Every day's like Christmas here at PBS Brakes. Not only are we sending pads out all day, but Chris has been buying bits of the EG as well. So let's have a nosy and see what he's been buying today. Well wrapped. All the way from sunny USA. Shout out to our American cousins. Have a look at what we've got. Let's roll that. What do we get? Very well packaged, guys. Well done. What do we have? Gold goodies. Always better than gold, aren't they? Two of them from ASR. A load of hardware as well. Anti-roll bar for the EG. Thank you for the guys from ASR. Beautiful. Bag of bolts. Oh. That'll firm things up on the back nicely, won't it? So we'll get those fitted one day as well, over in our nice new shiny ramp that we're just tarting up at the moment. Stay tuned for fitting.